single day. I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Welcome back. Today Rasites is taking you to a beautiful natural wonder. It is Edge of the World. We started our journey from Riyadh, the capital of Saudi Arabia. Edge of the World is located about 100 km from Riyadh. Half of the driving is in the rocky desert, so it takes 2 hours to get there. Edge of the World, locally named Jabal Fihriyan, is one of the must-visit tourist sites in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. The Edge of the World is part of the Tuwaik escarpment that runs approximately 800 km through the central Saudi Arabia. We are enjoying this off-road drive. The Tuwaik cliffs were formed around 500 million years ago when the Arabian plate shifted toward the northeast as the Red Sea Rift. Fossils of corals can still be found on the rocky surface today. We are so excited because we are also camping near to the edge of the world. The sun is setting, so we are looking for a place to camp. We set our camp spot, prepared dinner, and took a deep sleep. Good morning. We found a hole near our camping site. It was a hidden cave. We explored the cave. Even the opening was small, but inside it was very spacious and long. Here are beautiful coatings of minerals. Stalactites also we can see here, which are formed by water dripping from the ceiling and hang from the cave roof. They form 10 cm every 1000 years. I saw some bats, so I returned very quickly. We are exploring the nearby areas of Edge of the World, the natural wonder. The best season for visiting here is the winter when it is warm or cool. Edge of the World can be extremely hot in summer. We can see the remains of riverbeds crossing the valley below.